For years, I've watched my wife suffer through months and months of pregnancy with our first 2 kids. I decided that for the 3rd time, it would be different. So I decided to find a solution that would help my wife deal with the trials and tribulations that come with pregnancy. And as if in an answer to prayer, I found a solution. The Mobile Pregnancy Transfer Software app.
The Mobile Pregnancy Transfer Software app uses cutting-edge, space-age technology to temporarily transfer your wife's pregnancy into your body to enable your wife to continue living life to the fullest. With your help, your wife can still exercise, go to work, and have fun while you keep her pregnancy safe for her. How does it work? None of your business. Just download the app with your Android or iOS device from your app store. Register your name and that of your spouse, and bingo! She can transfer her pregnancy to you for between 12 to 24 hours. For our premium version, she can even transfer her labor pains to you while she gives birth with total peace of mind.
I would like all men to register and truly share the joy of pregnancy with their wives like never before.
The Mobile Pregnancy Transfer Software app. Because we love you.